Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you guys watching of how to basically withdraw your Temu payments from the affiliate program, or to basically withdraw payments from the Temu affiliate program. So affiliate withdrawals refer to the process of which a person refers again and again by giving a link to a product that basically they are the affiliate of. So it is basically a commission based referrer thing, and to withdraw you will need to have a certain amount of minimum payout threshold because before you can withdraw their funds. And Temu offers many various withdrawal methods such as PayPal, direct bank transfer, or other regional payment options, each with different processing times and fees. The thing other regional payment options mean is that if you're living in Pakistan, for example, you will have an payout option that is only available in Pakistan, and that is very easy to withdraw from if you reach their threshold. So you will just need to simply click on the payout option, and then they will show you a list of different payout methods, and then you can click on them and just simply continue to choose and withdraw your money from the affiliate program of Temu. So thank you for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.